In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply polynomials using the box method. This is an alternative to multiplying a binomial times a binomial without using the FOIL method. So what I'm going to recommend is in the description below, I actually have a sheet that you can use, that you can download and use as we go through the examples, or you can just follow along with your notes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip ahead to a slightly more challenging example, and that's going to be number 6 right here. So what's tricky about this one is it's 2b. So that means instead of it just being a single x where we went x times x, it's actually going to be 2 in front of it. And then the other thing that's tricky about this one is they gave us a square there. So you have to think back to what exponents mean. Now I always say exponents is like screenshotting something. It's making a copy of however many times the exponent says. So in this case, the exponent is 2, which means there's actually 2 of these. So if you can't see that right away, that's okay, but I'm gonna rewrite it so it's gonna be easier to see. So what this is saying is we're screenshotting it twice. So 2b minus 1 times 2b minus 1. So really that's what the question is saying. So I'm gonna move this up here, and now I'm gonna write everything in our box just like how we did last time. So 2b is gonna go there, minus 1 is gonna go there. And sorry, I think that should be just a positive 2b. And then same thing going down, 2b, and then minus 1 here. And now everything looks like what we were doing before. 2b times 2b, well, we have to think 2 times 2 is gonna be 4, and b times b is gonna give us b squared, right? We don't actually know the value of b, but we know when we combine it, it's gonna be squared. And then our next one is 2b times negative 1. So negative 1 times 2, well, that's gonna give us negative 2. And we just gotta bring that variable over because it's there. Same thing with this one here. It's gonna be the exact same numbers. And then our last one is gonna be negative 1 times negative 1. So remember what I said earlier, negative times a negative makes a positive. That's gonna give us 1. Okay, so now we gotta look at those like terms. I only again see 2. Often it's gonna be in these 2 squares here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at our like terms. We've got negative 2b and negative 2b, and we have to add those. We're not multiplying that. So if I write out everything, that's gonna leave me with 4b squared. And then I'm gonna combine 2 negative things with another 2 negative things. We're adding them, not multiplying. So that's gonna be negative 4b. And then our last constant term there is plus 1, and that is it. Okay, so I hope that helped. What I would love for you all to do is to try the other examples that I've got here. In the description, I do have an answer key so you can check your work. And of course, if that's not the case, if you're just working on homework, then good luck on your homework. Just as a friendly reminder, I do offer one-on-one sessions. Information for that is also in the description below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.